Hey guys, based on the Make Growl Base video, this one is going to show you how to create and set up automation in flstudio, plus how to connect a controller to use and record automation. In flstudio, you can usually right-click on something and select Create Automation Clip. But sometimes, when you're using VST plugins or more specific parameters, you might find that option isn't there. So, this is another way to do that. First, click the knob or button you want to automate. After that, go to the top menu and select Tools greater than last tweaked Create Automation Clip. Now, the automation clip for that control will show up in the playlist. To adjust the automation, right-click at the point in time you want to change to add a node. Right-clicking the node gives you more options, like adjusting the shape. Here's an example of my adjustments so you can see how the automation matches up with the knob movements. You can tweak it to get the result you want. If adjusting the automation clip manually doesn't give you the curve you want, you can connect a controller and record the automation by yourself. First, click the knob or button you want to control with the controller. After tweaking it, go to the top menu and select Tools greater than last tweaked, link to controller. On the screen that pops up, move or press the controller button you want to link. That's it, the connection is made. If you want to record, click the record button at the top. Because we only want to record automation, just select Notes and Automation. Then you can start recording. Yeah, all done. Now you can record the manual process information. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.